Ever wondered how a car that screams success today can quietly destroy your bank balance tomorrow? Luxury cars look like success, but many of them lose value shockingly fast. Some drop more than half their price in under 5 years. Before we start, think about this. Would you rather look rich today or stay rich tomorrow? Let's count down the luxury cars that lost half their value in under 5 years and why it happens. Number 10. Audi A6, 2017. Around 60.9% depreciation. The Audi A6 has long been seen as the smart choice for executives who want luxury without being flashy. When the latest generation launched in 2017, the base price started around $55,000, quickly climbing with optional packages. It offered a range of engines, from a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder to a more powerful 3.0-liter V6, delivering between 250 and 330 horsepower. Quattro all-wheel drive was standard on most models, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission, and the interior combined understated elegance with high-quality materials, advanced infotainment, and a suite of driver assistance systems. Despite its strong specifications, the A6 loses about 60.9% of its original value within 5 years. Part of this rapid depreciation comes from high supply. Audi sold many A6s to fleets and corporate buyers, flooding the used market. Another factor is perceived repair risk. Once warranties expire, buyers start worrying about electronics, air suspension, and the potential for expensive maintenance. Enthusiasts often say the A6 is fantastic to lease but risky to own, and that reputation hits resale values hard. By the 5th year, the A6 still drives beautifully and feels premium, but the market doesn't reflect that. What was once a modern, tech-packed sedan becomes just another used luxury car, and owners often watch tens of thousands of dollars evaporate. The Audi A6 proves that even practical, reliable luxury can't escape the realities of depreciation. Number 9. Audi A7, 2018. Around 60.5% depreciation, the Audi A7 made its bold debut in 2018, starting at around $69,000. Positioned as a stylish alternative to the A6, it combined luxury with a sporty fastback design. Under the hood, buyers could choose a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 or a smaller 2.0-liter four-cylinder producing between 250 and 340 horsepower. Quattro all-wheel drive came standard, and the cabin featured high-end materials, a sleek dual-screen infotainment system, and advanced driver assistance technology, making it a true tech-forward luxury sedan. Despite its striking looks and performance, the A7 loses about 60.5% of its value in 5 years. The main reason is demand. While visually stunning, it's less practical than an SUV and less sporty than an RS variant, leaving many used buyers hesitant. Complex electronics and higher repair costs after warranty also scare potential owners. Enthusiasts often note that the A7 is eye-catching but intimidating to own long-term, which accelerates depreciation. By year 5, the A7 still turns heads on the road, but the market sees risk rather than reward. Its dramatic design and luxury features can't shield it from losing value, making it a car that impresses in the driveway but stings at resale. Number 8. Mercedes-Benz S-Class, 2017. Around 60.7% depreciation. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class has long been the benchmark for full-size luxury sedans, and the generation launched in 2017 continued that tradition. Prices started around $100,000, quickly rising with optional packages for AMG styling, premium sound systems, and advanced safety features. Engine options ranged from a smooth 3.0-liter inline-six to a commanding 4.0-liter V8 paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The S-Class offered adaptive air suspension, semi-autonomous driving features, and an interior that combined leather, wood, and cutting-edge technology to make every journey feel first class. Despite its status and specifications, the S-Class loses about 60.7% of its original value within 5 years. The main reason is that its advanced technology ages quickly. Features that felt futuristic at launch, like driver assistance systems and complex infotainment setups, are often considered outdated just a few years later. Maintenance and repair costs for such a sophisticated sedan are also high, which deters many potential used buyers. By the 5th year, the S-Class remains an incredible driving experience, luxurious and refined, but the market treats it as risky rather than prestigious. The result is steep depreciation, proving that even the pinnacle of luxury can't escape financial realities. Number 7, Cadillac Escalade ESV 2017. Around 62.9% depreciation. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a full-size luxury SUV that launched in 2017 with a starting price of around $85,000, climbing higher with optional packages and extended-length configurations. It featured a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing roughly 400 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and rear or four-wheel drive options. Inside, it offered 3 rows of leather seating, a massive infotainment system, premium audio, and luxury touches like heated and ventilated seats, making it a rolling symbol of wealth and comfort. Despite its commanding presence and powerful specifications, the Escalade ESV loses around 62.9% of its value within 5 years. Factors driving depreciation include its high sticker price, poor fuel economy, and the rising popularity of more efficient, tech-forward SUVs. Enthusiasts often describe it as unmatched in size and style, but brutal on resale, highlighting how demand for massive luxury SUVs is limited in the used market. By year 5, the Escalade ESV still looks imposing and rides comfortably, but resale buyers are cautious. Its combination of cost, size, and maintenance expectations ensures it sheds value faster than many other luxury SUVs, making it one of the steepest depreciators in its class. Number 6, Infiniti QX80 2017. Around 65% depreciation. The Infiniti QX80 is a full-size luxury SUV designed for buyers who want traditional SUV capability with upscale features. When the latest generation launched in 2017, the starting price was around $72,000, with fully loaded models exceeding $85,000. It comes equipped with a 5.6-liter V8 engine producing approximately 400 horsepower, paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and rear or all-wheel drive options. Inside, the QX80 offers 3 rows of leather seating, a premium infotainment system, navigation, and advanced safety technologies, creating a spacious and comfortable interior for families or executives. Despite its power and luxury, the QX80 loses roughly 65% of its value within 5 years. The main reasons are dated technology, large fuel consumption, and strong competition from more modern and efficient rivals. Enthusiasts often describe it as a luxury SUV that feels classic but struggles to keep up with modern expectations, highlighting why buyers in the used market are cautious. By year 5, the QX80 remains a comfortable and capable SUV, but the resale market is unforgiving. Its combination of high operating costs, older technology, and limited used demand drives steep depreciation, making it a tempting used purchase but a costly new investment. Number 5, Tesla Model S, 2012. Around 65.2% depreciation, the Tesla Model S redefined electric luxury when it launched in 2012, with prices starting around $75,000 for the standard version and quickly climbing above $100,000 for performance trims. It offered a groundbreaking electric drivetrain, delivering up to 518 horsepower in the early P100D models, all-wheel drive, and the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Its interior featured a minimalist design dominated by a massive touchscreen, over-the-air software updates, and advanced autopilot capabilities, making it feel futuristic compared to traditional sedans. Despite its innovation, the Model S loses roughly 65.2% of its value in under 5 years. Rapid advancements in battery technology, range, and software updates mean older models quickly feel outdated. Price cuts and incentives on newer Teslas further depress the resale market. Enthusiasts often comment that while the Model S revolutionized electric cars, it also depreciates like a tech gadget, reflecting the speed of EV innovation. By year 5, the Model S remains a thrilling, high-performance EV, but the resale market punishes early adopters. While it's still impressive to drive, depreciation proves that being first doesn't always pay off financially. Number 4. Maserati Levante. 2016. Around 63.7% depreciation. The Maserati Levante brought Italian flair to the luxury SUV segment when it launched in 2016, with a starting price of approximately $75,000, climbing well over $100,000 for higher trims. Under the hood, it featured a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, producing around 345 to 424 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. The Levante's interior offered hand-stitched leather, premium wood accents, a high-resolution infotainment system, and driver assistance features that combined luxury with Italian design flair. Despite its exotic appeal, the Levante loses about 63.7% of its value within 5 years. Depreciation is driven by high maintenance costs, limited dealer support, and perceptions of inconsistent reliability. Enthusiasts often say the Levante is bought with passion, sold with regret, reflecting how emotional appeal doesn't always translate to resale value. Its niche status also limits the pool of buyers willing to pay premium prices for a used model. By year 5, the Levante remains a visually stunning SUV with performance and luxury that stand out, but the market treats it cautiously. High operating costs and limited demand contribute to its steep depreciation, making it one of the most financially punishing luxury SUVs at nearly 63.7% loss of original price. Number 3. Maserati Ghibli, 2013. Around 64.7% depreciation. The Maserati Ghibli is a luxury Italian sedan that combines style, performance, and exclusivity. When the latest generation launched in 2013, prices started around $70,000, with higher trims and options easily pushing the cost over $85,000. It featured a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 producing between 345 and 424 horsepower, paired with a ZF 8-speed automatic transmission and rear, or all-wheel drive. The interior offered premium Italian leather, a distinctive Maserati infotainment system, and driver-focused controls that emphasize sportiness over conventional luxury. Despite its exotic appeal, the Ghibli loses approximately 64.7% of its value in 5 years. Depreciation is driven by high maintenance costs, limited dealer support, and the perception that reliability is uncertain. Enthusiasts often describe the Ghibli as a car you fall in love with but hesitate to own long term, highlighting how emotional appeal doesn't always translate to resale strength. By the 5th year, the Ghibli still delivers an engaging drive, an aggressive exhaust note, and Italian style that stands out in traffic. However, its market value reflects caution from buyers. With nearly 65% of its original price gone, the Maserati Ghibli shows that luxury, performance, and exclusivity do not guarantee strong long-term value. Number 2. BMW 7 Series, 2015. Around 67.1% depreciation. The BMW 7 Series is BMW's flagship full-size luxury sedan, blending performance, technology, and executive comfort. When the latest generation launched in 2015, prices started around $87,000, with higher trims exceeding $120,000. Engine options included a 3.0-liter inline-6, a 4.4-liter V8, and a 6.6-liter V12 in the top trims, all paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and rear or all-wheel drive options. The 7 Series featured advanced technologies such as laser headlights, gesture-controlled infotainment, massaging seats, and adaptive air suspension, making it one of the most sophisticated sedans on the market. Despite its luxury and performance, the 7 Series depreciates rapidly, losing around 67.1% of its value in 5 years. The main reasons are high maintenance costs and aging technology. While new models showcase the latest innovations, older 7 Series sedans quickly feel outdated, and complex electronics can be expensive to repair. Enthusiasts often say it is a masterpiece on warranty, but a risky bet after, emphasizing how depreciation is tied to technology and ownership costs. By the 5th year, the 7 Series still offers exceptional comfort, a dynamic driving experience, and a prestigious presence. But its market value tells a different story. Losing over 67% of its original price, it demonstrates that even a flagship luxury sedan cannot escape steep depreciation. Number 1. Jaguar I-Pace, 2018. Around 72.2% depreciation. The Jaguar I-Pace is Jaguar's first all-electric luxury SUV, designed to combine performance, style, and sustainability. When it launched in 2018, the starting price was around $69,000, with higher trims exceeding $80,000. The I-Pace features dual electric motors delivering a combined 395 horsepower and 512 pound-feet of torque, giving it all-wheel drive and a 0 to 60 time of about 4.5 seconds. The battery offers a range of approximately 224 miles, while the interior showcases a futuristic design with premium leather, dual touchscreen infotainment, and advanced driver assistance systems, making it a standout in the luxury EV segment. Despite its innovative technology and awards for design and performance, the I-Pace loses around 72.2% of its value in under 5 years. Rapid advancements in EV technology, limited charging infrastructure in some regions, and Jaguar's uncertain electric future contributed to this steep depreciation. Enthusiasts often note that while the I-Pace is exciting to drive, buyers in the used market worry about battery degradation and long-term support, which significantly lowers demand. By the 5th year, the I-Pace still offers thrilling acceleration, a high-tech cabin, and the prestige of a Jaguar badge, but the resale market is unforgiving. Losing over 72% of its original price, the I-Pace demonstrates that even award-winning electric SUVs can depreciate faster than nearly any traditional luxury vehicle, making it a cautionary tale for new buyers. And that's our countdown of luxury cars that lost half their value in under 5 years. These cars impress on the road, but depreciation hits hard. If you're buying new, it's a warning. If you're buying used, it could be an opportunity. Which car surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.